Forgot your Red Pocket voicemail password? No problem. This video guides you through the three main methods to reset it using the Red Pocket mobile app, interactive voice response via phone call, and SMS text messaging. Choose the method that best suits your needs and level of tech savviness. These resets are secure and protect your personal messages on Red Pocket's network, which operates on T-Mobile's infrastructure. Your voicemail password, typically 4 to 10 digits, prevents unauthorized access to your voicemail. We'll cover the step-by-step process for each method, ensuring you regain access to your messages quickly and easily. Using the Red Pocket mobile app, download the app on iOS or Android, log in with your credentials, navigate to the voicemail section, and follow the prompts to reset your password securely. Interactive voice response via phone call. Call the voicemail access number, enter your current password, or follow the security prompts to verify your identity and reset the password. SMS text messaging. Send a text to the specified shortcode with reset commands, receive verification, and reset your password without needing internet data. All methods are secure and help you regain access to your voicemail messages quickly and easily. Let's dive into the details of each password reset method. First, the app method. Download the Red Pocket app available on iOS and Android, log in with your account credentials, navigate to the voicemail or settings section, and follow the prompts. This requires an active internet connection. A one-time code may be emailed for verification. Next, the IVR method. Call Red Pocket's voicemail access number, such as *86 or a dedicated line like 1-800-RED-POCKET. Enter your current password, or if forgotten, follow security prompts, like providing the last 4 digits of your phone number. Request a password reset and confirm your identity via account details. Finally, the text method. Send a text message to a specified shortcode, such as 611, with commands like reset VM or PW reset, followed by verification steps. This is text only and doesn't require data, making it a quick fallback in low connectivity areas. Remember to update your password regularly to maintain security. Reset processes often involve two-factor verification, such as a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Red Pocket's cloud-based system ensures resets sync across devices. Be sure to have these methods available, as app resets may be more popular in urban areas and text IVR more reliable in remote areas.